time. I am Miss Sandy's fairy godmother. She's still sleeping. Listen. She snores pretty loud. She told me not to start without her, but I'm going to start anyway. This is my version of the little rooster who couldn't. Hey, what are you doing, fairy godmother? Oh, I better run. Here she comes. Bye. Once upon a time in the farmyard, there was the official person who woke all the animals up in the morning. That's me. But my alarm clock broke. It's ringing a little, but not a lot. What am I going to do? I have to go to the store to buy a new alarm clock. Rooster! Rooster! Yes, Miss Sandy? I have to run to the store to buy an alarm clock. Do you think you can wake all the animals up in the morning? But Miss Sandy, I don't know how to. Bye! See you later! Rooster was panicked. I don't know how to wake animals up. Maybe I should go ask Mr. Horse. How do you wake animals up in the morning? Said Mr. Horse. Yes, you say, neigh, neigh. Okay, will do. So the very next morning, as the sun was rising, Rooster stretched and said, neigh, neigh, neigh. But none of the animals woke up. So Rooster went to see Mr. Pig.
Oink, oink, oink.
Hello, Mr. Pig.
Hey, what are you doing in the pig pen?
I don't know how to wake everyone up in the morning.
Why, that's easy. All you do is say, oink, 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 oink.
Will do. I'll give it a try. So the very next morning, Rooster got up early, stretched and said,
Oink, 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 oink.
but no one got up. Here we go again. This time, Rooster went to see Miss Duck. Hello, Rooster. What can I do for you today? I don't know how to wake people up in the morning. Why, that's easy. You open your mouth wide and you say,
Quack, 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 quack.
got it. Thanks, Miss Duck. Yes, Rooster was up early again. He stretched, opened his mouth, and went quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack.
but no one woke up. All right, guys, I've had it. This time I'm going to the top. Literally to the top. Rooster climbed the highest tree he could find and went to see wise Mr. Owl. Mr. Owl, I need to wake everybody up in the morning and I don't know how. Please help me. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Why, that's easy, Mr. Rooster. You go to the library, you get a book, and you learn how to wake everyone up. Never thought of that. Thanks, Mr. Owl. Bye. Hoo. So Rooster and Miss Sandy read and read and read until Rooster said, I've got it. I'm ready to go. So the very next morning, Rooster got up, the sun came out, Rooster took out his iPad and he hit the play button and, wait for it, wait for it, that's not really what happened. Rooster opened his mouth and said, cock-a-doodle-doo! And all the animals in the farm woke up. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story. Thank you for coming to baby time. Miss Sandy's getting her breakfast. You guys were tremendous today. Hey, fairy godmother, you're not on the camera again. Oh, I better fly. Bye.